Welcome to another lesson. In this ESL lesson, we are going to look at the vowel digraph O. It's spelled as AW, but the pronunciation is O. So we will have a look at a few words and also the images. Okay, so let's have a look. Lawn, crawl, hawk. The cat is on the lawn. The cat can crawl. The hawk can fly. Now you can repeat these words after me. Lawn, crawl, hawk. Saw, claw, paw. The cat saw his reflection. The cat has big claws. The kitten has pink, beautiful paws. Now repeat after me. Saw, claw, paw. Yawn, straw, draw. The kitten yawns. There is a straw in the glass. I can draw. Say it again. Yawn, straw, draw. Lawn, crawl, hawk, saw, claw, paw, yawn, straw, draw. Match the pictures to the words. Pause the lesson and match the pictures to the words. And this is our last activity. We have to finish the O story. Finish the story using the words from the word bank below. Paw, crawled, lawn, saw, claw, hawk. The little cat sat on her, licking her. She looked up and a big flying in the sky. She away. Now I want you to spend a few minutes filling in the gaps, and then I will read the story to you with the answers. The answers are: the little cat sat on her lawn, licking her paw. She looked up and saw a big hawk flying in the sky. She crawled away. How did you go? Did you get it right? You can practice this as many times as possible to get it right. See you next time.